For among you, which is us, but you will not always have me, which is the judgment day. So it just tells me that ikilala natin siya before the judgment day comes and before it's like over or whatever. And we put like the people aside and focus on the Lord. Yeah.
Kasi we tend to, we tend to focus ourselves with things na akala natin is importante. Like for example,
Cellphone.
yan, yung paglalaro nyo, pagpaparank ninyo, akala nyo napaka-importante yan. Diba? Katulad nga nung sinabi ni Daddy kanina, Thomas, who's been a disciple of Jesus, hindi ko alam has almost ba na nawala yung parang chance niya na makilala si Lord o nawala talaga. So hindi natin alam kasi hindi naman ako expert dyan. Pero ang sinasabi ko dito, everything na inuuna nyo kaysa kay Lord is makakapag-antay yan. Naintindihan ninyo? You need to put God first in your life. And maybe this 2025 anak, Arlene Charles, start your day with a prayer. And then, when you come home after school, do your devotion. Unahin mo yun. Kasi, don't miss this chance na God chosen us na makilala siya. Diba? Let us not sayangin. Yeah, waste that chance. Let's not become like Thomas. Bakit mo paano ka ba magda-doubt kay Lord? Kasi si Thomas kasi doubter siya, di ba? You will only doubt the Lord if you don't have enough foundation or knowledge about Him. Di ba? If you don't have enough knowledge or knowledge about Him. Ngayon, how would you gain knowledge about God? Paano mo siya mas makikilala? Di ba? By reading His Word. Di ba? So, by reading His Word, mas makikilala nyo si Lord. Then, you would be able to avoid being a doubter. Di ba? Then, it would be a way para hindi masayang yung salvation na prepare sa atin ni God. Di ba? Mamaya na yun, maglilinis tayo mamaya. It's okay. Daddy, maglilinis tayo mamaya. Kakasabi pa lang eh.